So guys, ignore the daft that, I'm just wearing it for fun. Since I went to the Midlands Model Engineering Show last Thursday, I saw on one of the stalls, not stalls, well, there's many stalls there. I can't remember which club it was, Model Engineering Society it was, but there was a 3D printed coal wagon on there, and I thought, I won't mind printing one of them. So I had a quick search through Thingiverse. Took a while to find it, and I found it. So we're 3D printing it. So let's have a look. So this is my Neptune 4 Max. You see how big it is? It's come out a bit. That's how big it is on the workbench. But we're printing bottom chassis parts at the moment. This is going to finish at about 7 in the morning, so it's quite a long print, but the good thing with the Max is I can get quite a lot on it. And with the Max, from most printers, the print head, it goes from the spool up there, up in the gods of the rafters of the roof, through that little hull, what you might call it, God, I can't remember the blooming name of it now. A detector. It basically detects that there's filament there. So from the spool detector straight through that, all the way down to the print head, which really, it works really well. I had to put that little 3D printed thing on there because that cable kept getting caught on things. So, and also it had a big fan which is just down there on the back of it, and I didn't really like it on there. So yeah, we're 3D printing wagon parts, like the axle boxes, the brake holders, linkages and things, guides and what have you. I think they're buffers, pretty sure they're buffers, buffer stocks. But yeah, we're having a go at printing it. The little 5-inch gauge Sweet Pea is awaiting my lift to be finished, which I'm in the process of building. It's just up here. You see there's the mill, looking rather untidy. I need to clean it up. That's my 18mm drill, which you probably saw in a previous video of me. Well, no, I didn't video drilling the holes, but I'll drill I'll do the video of me drilling the centre holes. So these two here, well, there's 4 of these here, and they've all got an 18mm hole in the top there. You can see there's 4 stacked up there. There's an 18mm hole in one end on 4 of them, and also down there there's also an 18mm hole. And those are the pivot points, the 2 pivots. I'm yet to build the top piece and the bottom piece. So next will be take the vise off, mark out the centre of these somewhere around here somewhere. I'll measure them, and well, actually they're 1800 long, so I'll divide that by 2, which, if I got my maths right, will be 600 centres, and it's 40mm box section, so 20mm in, and we'll drill another 18mm hole. I'm keeping everything 18mm, and I'll make some like small pins with the circlip grooves on the edges, and it'll just be literally a pin straight through, and that'll hold it. So yeah, that's what I've got so far. Like I say, I'm going to break down this setup because I'll have to put those sort of in the middle on here, but they should fit in the middle of there. The ends wouldn't fit on because it either hit that bench or it hit the lathe bench. Please ignore the catastrophe with all the magazines. All that fell down. So yeah, that's what I'm on with. Once I get that table built, The only reason I can't, what I want to do is take the boiler off this to change the springs. Now a few people have said, oh, it'd be easy just to change them with the boiler on, but I'm going to take it off. So I've disconnected all the pipe work and what have you. So it's going to be easier just to take the boiler off. Once I've got my new lift table built, I can jack her right up and look at taking the boiler off. But yeah, that's going to merrily print away until about 7 AM tomorrow morning. So that's where we are, guys. So that's where we are. I see there's quite a lot of people watch my videos. Maybe they watch 1 or 2 minutes, but if you like this sort of thing, why not subscribe? It will help me and it will help my channel. I'm going to try and put a few more videos on than I normally do. Got a family, so I'm usually not in the workshop as often as I'd like to be. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.